Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy. So we have some big things going on in the market right now. We had one of the biggest hacks that happened in the crypto world in general. So we're going to be talking about that, over 600 million in crypto. We're going to be talking about how the market is up about 1.79%, very, very green in the past 24 hours. We're going to be talking about our top gainers, which is going to be Axie Infinity. And that's actually going to be a coin that we're going to be talking about, obviously. We talked about Axie Infinity just a few days ago when it was trading in the high 30s, and now it's trading at over $70 per coin. It is up about 56.9% in the past 24 hours, doing very, very well. If you guys are missing out on coins like this, well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers so you don't miss out on, potential gains like this. So subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, smash that like button. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. And if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. So our highest volume is obviously Bitcoin, which is trading right now at around 45,623. Or right here we have Ethereum, which is trading at around 3,160. It is up about 1%. We have Binance Coin being up 8%. Cardano, also known as ADA, has been explosive, guys. It is up over 16%, making a huge run in the past 24 hours or so. Ripple is up 8%. Doge is up 4%. Everything seems to be in the green for right now. We have some, major winners down here. Polygon up almost 10%. Stellar Lumens. We have Luna. Many of these coins are doing very, very nice right now as the market is trending on higher. Now, before we get into this countdown, let's take a look at actually see what is that big news. So the big news, more than 600 million stolen in Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, marking one of the crypto's biggest hacks ever. So right here, like we said, let's look at these key facts. So right here they say, we are sorry to announce that Poly Network was attacked. Poly tweeted Tuesday morning, disclosing that hackers had transferred hundreds of millions of dollars to separate cryptocurrency wallets. Now, cryptocurrency wallets disclosed by Poly, a cross-chain interoperability network, showed transfers early Tuesday of 2,858 Ether tokens worth around 267 million, 6,610 Binance Coin worth around 522 million, and roughly 85 million in USDC tokens on the Polygon network. The combined value of the stolen tokens as of Tuesday morning totaled roughly over 600 million, making it even bigger than the 460 million hack on cryptocurrency exchange Mt. Gox that led to the company's bankruptcy and heightened regulation in the Nasdaq space about 7 years ago. Soon after the hack, Tether, the company behind the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, froze roughly 33 million USDT tokens associated with the alleged hacker's wallet address, according to its chief technology officer. Now, blockchain-based security firm Slow Mist also issued a statement hours after the attack, saying it had identified the attacker's email, IP address, and device fingerprint, and was working on tracking additional identity clues. Poly, which was founded by the 3.3 billion Chinese cryptocurrency project NEO, did not immediately respond to Forbes' request for comment. So they've had some, crazy things going on, guys. One of the biggest hacks going on right now, pretty much since the, beginning of crypto, over 600 million. That is a lot, guys. That is a lot in cryptocurrency. So obviously this is going to affect cryptocurrency in a positive or negative way as well, and might bring the market down a little bit. But guys, enough with the news. Let's get into the countdown. So the first coin we're going to talk about is going to have to be this one, guys, Axie Infinity. So Axie Infinity, if I didn't make it clear enough the other day when we talked about this one, I'm going to make it clear this time. I mean, this coin was trading at around $35 or so when we talked about it in our video, I believe on either Saturday or Sunday, and now it's up 55% from about $44 all the way to highs of over $70 right now. In the past week, it's up over 83%. In the past month, almost 300%. That is insane. If you would have invested $1,000 into Axie Infinity, right now it would be almost worth $4,000, which is insane to be, getting in about a month or so, not even a month. Now, on the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 42,415%. From lows down here of, about 12 cents or so last November. And even here in June, we were just trading at around $4 or so. And that was about 2 or 3 months ago. So even if you got in down here, you would have made about a 20x or so in a matter of 2 months, which is insane. So market cap was extremely low on this coin, only at 4.3 billion. So it's one of those lower market cap coins, guys. Volume in the past 24 hours at 5.6 billion. Axie Infinity has been explosive, guys, like we said. So This one right now, we talked about this crypto game. Axie Infinity has generated over 84.9 million in 1 month, which is a great return. Now, if you guys take a look actually on the website right here, you guys can play the game. So pretty much it's kind of like a game slash NFT collection type thing. So you can battle on there, collect and earn. Obviously, it's a digital nation, so over 90,000 ETH traded on our in-house marketplace. They say 300 ETH is the most expensive Axie ever sold, which is almost $1 million, guys. And then 250,000 plus daily active users on the game. So obviously the game is more of a a lot of people are using it to build equity. So what people are doing is obviously they're getting these little Axie guys. You can buy one for, I believe the cheapest one I was looking at the other day was around $400. You go ahead and buy a few of those and you start breeding them. So a lot of people are buying about 4 of them, which would cost you about close to $2,000 to get started, and then they start breeding these Axies. I believe it takes about 5 days to breed them, and then you get a new one. And obviously they have something, it's similar to if you guys played Pokemon Go, the IV situation. So you're going to have like an IV type thing for your Axie that gets, produced, I guess you could say. And if it is above, let's say about 95 to 100%, those are the more rare ones. And obviously they're going to be worth more money. And you guys can make a lot of profit, obviously, on those. But that doesn't mean that it's always going to be a positive. It could be a bad one, and you might not make profit at all. So that is the breeding situation. You would have to you have to dive more deeper into it and see how everything works out. I'm not an expert into Axie Infinity breeding, but that is something that I've researched for a few days, and that's what I found so far. There are people making, hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, just breeding these Axie characters. And right now, it's the big thing. It's a big thing, and a lot more people are getting into the game, especially now with more and more attention going on with the coin. So the popularity and rarity is going to be skyrocketing right now, and I feel like it's a good time to be a breeder and be selling them right now. Not a good time to be a buyer, obviously, because there's going to be a lot of people trying to sell them as well. So that is why Axie Infinity is one of our top picks right now, and it's a very, very popular coin. Has some huge momentum in the past about a month or so. So definitely the one to add to your radar, and let's see what happens in the next few weeks. I could definitely see this one continue to roar higher and higher. 4.3 billion market cap. That is very low in the crypto space. So that is our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So this one is up about 22.8% today, trading at around $17. In the past week, it's up about 15%. In the past month, over 116% from lows of about $5.60. We also talked about Terra, guys. This is why you need to be subscribed to the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about potential gains like this. And if you're missing out, I feel bad for you because you're missing out on, potential gains, guys. So you could have made over 100% return in the past month if you guys would have seen this type of video that I made. So obviously, if you're, interested in crypto, stay tuned. So in the past year, this one is up over 3,165%, making a huge run down here from the low, and now we're coming back up here. Potentially, we might be battling to get up to the all-time high at around $22 or so. So I would not be surprised to see that in the next couple of weeks, especially if the crypto market continues to have this bullish run. So right now, 7 billion market cap. That market cap has been rising and rising very quickly from about it was probably around 3 billion or so, and now it's pumping on higher and higher. 711.2 million, volume right there in the past 24 hours. So this is definitely one of those momentum type plays that I would keep an eye out on to see how it's going to perform in the upcoming weeks as well. So that is our number 2 coin. And then our number 3 coin is going to be a popular one. You guys should all know this one, BNB, also known as Binance Coin. So this one is up about 8% in the past 24 hours, trading at $379 right now. In the past week, it's up over 17%, guys, from $321. Then here on the 1 month chart, 20% from lows of about 255 or so. And then on the 1 year chart, over 1,687%. This one has been very explosive, like we said, guys. Binance Coin, one of those large cap coins, obviously, market cap over 63.8 billion, one of the top coins, traded in the crypto space. 2.3 billion volume right now. Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid in Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So obviously, very popular coin, guys. Very big coin. Right behind, Ethereum and Bitcoin. So definitely one that I would be buying on the dip for any opportunity like this, as it was trading at over almost $700 here in May. So it still has a lot more potential for the future. I believe that Binance Coin is going to continue to go higher and higher in the upcoming years. Now, obviously, guys, like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, so So none of this is for, financial. None of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. There's always that high risk, high reward type situation when you're trading crypto. Crypto can go up and down very, very quickly, and the volatility is insane. So now that we've covered everything here with the top 3 altcoins, we've covered the hack that went on. Let's see what the rest of the market is doing. So Ethereum, like we said, up about 1.28%, trading around this 3,164 area. In the past week, it's up over 26%, which is massive. In the past month, over almost 50%, guys, from 1,700 to 3,100. That is about a $1,400 gain per coin, and that's actually way over 50%. But from the area that we were trading here at 2,100, it's around 50%. Now, on the 1-year chart, over 735% from 400 last year to 4,400, pulled back down into about the 1,700 area, and now we're seeing this massive potentially run right here. We're hoping to come back up into the mid 3,000s, obviously, and continue to go further and further. Market cap is climbing up slowly as well, 372.2 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 27.3 billion, compared to Bitcoin, obviously. That's, nothing. Bitcoin 33.2 billion, still the top one. It's usually the highest volume traded. Bitcoin pretty much flat in the past 24 hours, but we've seen this pattern with Bitcoin many times where it goes flat for a few days and then boom, we rocket on higher. So in the past week, it's almost up 20%, guys, in the past week, which is insane. In the past month, 36.2% from about 29,000 all the way up here to about almost 46,000. Insane gains. In the past year, 301%. Obviously, when you compare that to, Ethereum is double that, pretty much, a little bit more than double, actually. So Bitcoin falling behind a little bit on the 1-year chart, but it's obviously still outperforming, Ethereum in the overall market space. So 857.5 billion market cap, huge market cap, double what Ethereum is right now. So Ethereum still has a long way to catch up to Bitcoin, but I believe that it's going to happen in the next, 10, 20 years or so, that we'll have that flippening happen. Then we have Doge. Doge is up about 3%, still trading in the mid 20s. We've been trading around this area pretty much for a few weeks. 33.8 billion market cap on Doge, 33% higher in the past week. In the past month, 22%, and then in the 1-year chart, over 7,603%. Insane gains on Doge in the past year, so obviously, but it was a lot of hype going on around this one, going into April and May. Then we had this huge sell-off, and I believe now it is game over for Doge. I do not think personally that Doge is going to continue this run on higher. I think that it has pretty much the bull run to thank for this uptrend, because if it wasn't for the bull run, I think the Doge would have tanked and went even lower and lower, under 10 cents by now if we would have continued to go in the red. So obviously that is just my prediction. People still believe that Doge is going to go to $1. I personally don't think so, but you never know what can happen in the market space. Anything can happen. As you guys can see, I mean, just take a look at our top gainer in the past 24 hours. Axie Infinity goes up over 56% in the past 24 hours. Imagine if Doge did that, it would be trading at almost 40 cents per coin in a matter of 24 hours. So crypto, a lot different compared to the stock market. Stock market, nice and steady, goes slowly unless we have huge news or earnings or something insane happen. Crypto space, it can just shoot on higher or lower depending on the volume that's getting pushed in, especially if it's one of those lower market cap coins and a lot of people start to get in and volume starts to pick up higher and higher. You can see coins start to rise on higher and higher very, very quickly. So that's definitely something that we always keep an eye out on for those momentum plays like we see with Ethereum Classic, Internet Computer, ICP. They tend to do that same pattern over and over, and now it seems like Axie Infinity is doing a similar pattern, running up very quickly in the past few weeks, and that's why we discussed it obviously on our video in the past month. This one is making some great movements. So guys, those are the altcoins we're going to be looking at. That's what's going on in the crypto space right now, how everything is performing. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on content like this and potential gains, obviously. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links are in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys have a good one. Leave a comment below letting me know what crypto are you looking at right now. Goodbye.